Hey folks, spotty showers around the valley today. Nothing really big. We're watching some moisture just to the south of us right now in Mexico, but even that kind of fading as it gets close. The stuff still concentrated down well to the south of us in the Bay of Campeche in the southwestern Gulf. So you see a little shower out southwest Hidalgo County. That's about it. But let's zoom out a little bit. You see scattered activity moving into Mexico down to the south. It will continue to do that tonight into tomorrow, but if we push it back a little more and add the cloud cover in, now you can see this whole big massive cloud cover out here is kind of rotating, and there's a lot of rain embedded within this, but you can tell it's not all that well organized. There's a big dry slot right here in the middle of it, so it's nothing particularly strongly organized. They will fly a plane into it tomorrow. They canceled the trip today because there was just no reason to go down and check it out, but there's one scheduled for tomorrow. And again, the path of this mess of moisture is going to bring it up towards South Texas and give us an increasing rain chance. The chances of it developing into a tropical depression or tropical storm stands at about 60%. That has not changed since late Saturday afternoon, so it's not getting any better organized, but not showing signs of falling apart either, just kind of maintaining what it is. Right now, just a blob of moisture in the southwest Gulf of Mexico. Now, this is the NAM model, the North American model, and it grabs a hold of this, brings it northward, and pushes rain into the valley as early as tomorrow. And I think tomorrow we'll probably see scattered showers and thunderstorms. If you live in the eastern part of the valley, east of I-69E, east of US 77, you're most likely to see the most significant rainfall. West of that, Hidalgo County, Starr County, yes, some rain, but not as much as the coastal counties. The heaviest stuff should be concentrated near the source of the moisture. Tuesday into Wednesday, as that low sneaks by, and this model says it does sneak by, it doesn't move in. A lot of moisture starts to fire up north of us. We start to dry out from west-east across the valley. Probably not Wednesday, but by Thursday, that dry air will build in. And once that happens, our rain chances will evaporate as quickly as the moisture does, and the rain will move up into southeast Texas and points northward from there. So really, we got a 2-day shot at this. After that, it's gone. And again, it looks like the most significant moisture will stay in the coastal counties, but I think everybody's fair game for at least a shower or a thunderstorm. Here's a close-up over the next 36 hours, and the model suggests we get a little bit from the west later tonight, but then during the daytime tomorrow, just scattered showers and thunder showers fire up. There's your eastern part of the valley stuff through tomorrow afternoon. Not an all-day rain event by any means, but scattered showers and storms during the course of the day. Some of you may not see much of anything tomorrow. Other places could pick up a quick inch or so of rain. Our rain chances tomorrow, 60%. We've got 60 in there again on Wednesday, but if you're in the western part of the valley, that number is coming down on Wednesday, and then it disappears on Thursday. So again, coastal counties, 60-60, but if you're in Hidalgo County, Starr County, it's probably more like 60-40, I think is what we go with for that. Here's a look at the amount of rainfall that the models are projecting for the next couple of days. This is through Wednesday. 1 to 1.5 inches in the coastal counties along and east of I-69E. 1/2 inch to 1 inch across most of the rest of the valley, then less than that out west. With that in mind, though, any slow-moving storm that moves across you can produce up to 3 inches of rain. So while this is what we expect widespread, there could be isolated streaks anywhere in here of a quick 3 inches of rain. So that won't be the rule, but it'll be the exception, but could still perhaps happen. Temperatures right now, 90s in most of the valley, hotter out west, 101 in Rio Grande City, 91 in Brownsville. This hour overnight tonight, we bottom out in the upper 70s under mostly cloudy skies. And then tomorrow, a little bit cooler because of the clouds and the showers, certainly cooler in the east, still back in the 90s in the west with winds out of the east-southeast at about 8 to 15. Our high temperatures, though, we go 88, 89, and we dry out. Look what happens on Thursday, up to 98 degrees, really warming up fast, and after that, it could be even hotter than that. So let's check out your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight. 78, mainly cloudy, spotty storms. Again, tonight we're talking spotty. Most areas probably rain-free. Tomorrow, then cloudy with rain. The most active part of the valley will be in the east, along and east of I-69E. So that does include Raymondville, Harlingen, Brownsville, and then eastward from there. If you're in the west, yes, spotty showers and storms, but not as much as what we'll see in the eastern part of the valley. Here we go. The next 7 days. Look what happens to temperatures after this thing gets out of here. 98, 101, 101, 99, 98. Sunshine takes over starting Thursday, and once that happens, it may stay with us for a while. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.